Chapter 12 Kidney and Urinary Tract Pathology Congenital Anomalies Harso kidney Conjoined kidney usually connected at the lower pole, most common congenital renal anomaly. Kidney is abnormally located in the lower abdomen. Horseshoe kidney gets caught on the inferior mesenteric artery root during its ascent from the pelvis to the abdomen. Horseshoe-shaped kidney. Renal agenesis. First of all, what is agenesis? A means not or without, while genesis means production. Absent kidney formation may be unilateral or bilateral. Unilateral agenesis leads to hypertrophy of the existing kidney. Hyperfiltration increases the risk of renal failure later in life. Bilateral agenesis leads to oligohydramnios with lung hypoplasia, flat face with low set of airs, and developmental defects of the extremities, that is called Porter sequence. What is oligohydramnios? Oligohydramnios means decreased level of amniotic fluid. Due to decreased amniotic fluid, the face of fetus is pressed against the wall of uterus, which result in flat face and airs and defect of extremities. Normally, fetus is floating in amniotic fluid. Dysplastic kidney. Non-inherited congenital malformation of the renal parenchyma characterized by cysts and abnormal tissue, e.g. cartilage. Usually unilateral, when bilateral may be distinguished from inherited polycystic kidney diseases. Porter sequence. Dysplastic kidney. Large cystic space and abnormal tissue called cartilage that is present. Polycystic kidney diseases. Inherited defect leading to bilateral enlarged kidney with cysts in the renal cortex and medulla. Autosomal recessive form present in infant as worsening renal failure and hypertension. Newborns may present with Porter sequence. Associated with congenital hepatic fibrosis lead to portal hypertension and hepatic cyst. Autosomal dominant form present in young adults as hypertension due to increased renin hematuria and worsening renal failure due to mutation in the APKD1 or APKD2 gene. Cyst develops over time associated with Berry aneurysm, hepatic cyst, and mitral valve prolapse. Berry aneurysm means a balloon-like dilatation of blood vessel in the brain. Polycystic kidney disease. Large number of cysts present in the renal medulla and the renal cortex. Medullary cystic kidney disease. Inherited autosomal dominant defect leading to cyst in the medullary collecting ducts. Parenchymal fibrosis result in shrunken kidney and worsening renal failure.